Where are we at? Number 5? We just got off the train.
Henry looks really impressed.
Sucks.
Okay.
The doors are about to close.
The doors.
Felix,
What?
now we're going to see the engine. I got him.
Okay.
Here it comes.
There it goes.
Wow. Say, why do petrol just only have wheels, no pistons?
They don't need pistons. Pistons are in the engine.
Why pistons are inside wheels?
It's an internal combustion engine.
Can you smell it? Smell some of that diesel?
Here it comes. Sorry, baby. Woo-hoo! All right. There's the tower.
Yay.
There's the tower. I told
Up
you.
to the park?
Didn't I say trust me? All right, let's find something to eat.